Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to set up launch control on your WRX or any car that you have that has a Cobb management system hooked up to it, or the Cobb Access Port. Mine is the V3 access port for my 2003 WRX. Now that we're here, usually you're going to be on gauges. Gauges are just usually boost, air-fuel ratio, coolant temp intake, injector, target boost final. That's what I like to put them as. But you're going to want to back out from your gauges and go down, not performance, not troubleshooting, right to tune. And from tune you want to go up to adjustments, click on adjustments, and it has idle adjustment, timing adjustment, launch control, and reset launch control. You're going to want to go to launch control, and this will give you a set range. Usually I think it starts you off at 8,000, but obviously you don't want to do that. You can go as high as you want, I guess, I don't know. So I'm going to set mine to 4,000, maybe, yeah, we'll do 4,000, set it like that, just click OK, and then it'll take you back to this page, back out, and you will build boost in doing this. It's kind of cool. And then you go back here to gauges, turn your car on, put your car in neutral, alright, and all you have to do now, hold the clutch in and rev. Sweet. You can set it to whatever you want. Be careful though, because launching your car is pretty dangerous. You can break a lot of stuff, and on WRXs the trannies are pretty bad. My recommendation is, if you're going to launch, do it on gravel or some wet pavement. Don't do it on dry pavement. You're not guaranteed to break something, but doing it enough you will. Hope you guys had a good time learning stuff. See you guys in the next video, and peace out.